Welcome back to our Astonish tutorial series. Today, we're exploring a game-changing feature, the Model Context Protocol integration. This allows Astonish to extend its capabilities seamlessly. We'll demonstrate this by integrating Tavily, a powerful web search and content extraction tool, and use it to create an ESPN news summarizer. Let's dive in and see how MCP takes Astonish to the next level. First, let's look at Astonish's default toolset. We'll use the command Astonish tools list. As you can see, we have a set of basic tools like read_file, write_file, and shell_command. These are Astonish's built-in capabilities. Now, watch what happens when we integrate Tavily as an MCP server. Type Astonish tools edit in your terminal. This opens the configuration file. As you can see on the screen, it's initially empty, showing only a basic structure for MCP servers. Now, we're adding the Tavily configuration to this file. You can see me pasting in the necessary information, including the server name, command, arguments, and environment variables. This configuration tells Astonish how to connect to the Tavily MCP server and what environment variables it needs. Remember, if you're following along, you'll need to replace the placeholder API key with your actual Tavily API key. And there we have it. We've successfully added Tavily as an MCP server to Astonish. This simple configuration is all it takes to extend Astonish's capabilities. With our new MCP server configured, let's run Astonish tools list again. Notice the new tools, Tavily Search and Tavily Extract. These powerful web tools are now at our disposal, seamlessly integrated into Astonish. This demonstrates how easy it is to extend Astonish's capabilities using MCP servers. With our new tools in place, let's create an agent to summarize ESPN news. We'll use the Agentic Flow Creator. We start by running Astonish agents run agents_creator. Our goal is to create a flow that fetches the ESPN front page, extracts the content, summarizes it, and displays each summary on a separate line. Watch how the Agentic Flow Creator adapts to our new tools. Notice how it incorporates the Tavily Extract tool in the fetch_ESPN_page node. This demonstrates the Agentic Flow Creator's ability to understand and utilize new tools without any additional programming on our part. The AI presents a summary of the flow and asks for our approval. Let's approve it, skip some steps, and move to the end of the Agentic Flow Creator. Now, the flow is being validated and saved. The AI suggests a name for our new agent, ESPN_front_page_summarizer. With the agent created, let's put it to work. We'll run it using the command Astonish agents run ESPN_front_page_summarizer. Watch as our new agent springs into action. First, Astonish asks for approval to use the Tavily Extract tool to fetch content from ESPN's front page. This security feature ensures you have control over external tool usage. Once approved, the agent proceeds with extraction. Notice this is a simple prompt the Agentic Flow Creator added to get information from the website. It's important to understand that you have full control over the prompt. You can easily modify it to request specific information or to have the output delivered in a particular format, tailoring the agent's behavior to your exact needs without coding. After extraction, the agent summarizes the main news stories, presenting each summary on a separate line. This demonstration showcases how MCP integration expands Astonish's capabilities while maintaining user control over both tool execution and information retrieval. Let's review what we've accomplished. We integrated Tavily as an MCP server, adding new tools to Astonish. The Agentic Flow Creator automatically recognized and incorporated these new tools. We created a specialized agent for ESPN news summarization without writing any code. Our agent successfully extracted and summarized real-time web content. The implications of this are significant. By leveraging MCP, Astonish can continually expand its capabilities. Whether it's web scraping, data analysis, or any other specialized task, new tools can be seamlessly integrated and utilized. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating sophisticated, AI-driven workflows tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into Astonish's MCP integration. We've seen how easy it is to extend Astonish's capabilities and create powerful, specialized agents. Remember, this is just the beginning. With MCP, the potential for what you can achieve with Astonish is limitless. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy automating with Astonish.